Today I'll walk you through exactly how to connect ClickUp with Google Calendar so your tasks and events live in one place and your schedule finally makes sense. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe, it really helps the channel, and let's get right into it. Before we dive in, here's why this integration is worth setting up. When ClickUp syncs with Google Calendar, any task with a due date will automatically appear as a calendar event. That means no more jumping between two apps to figure out what's due when. Your deadlines show up right alongside your meetings, giving you one honest view of your week. Alright, let's set it up. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Planner. This is ClickUp's built-in scheduling hub and the home of all calendar integrations, so this is exactly where we need to be. Inside the planner, you'll see an option for Google Calendar. Go ahead and click it. ClickUp will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to connect. If you manage multiple Google accounts, a personal one and a work one, for example, make sure you select the right one here. You can always add more accounts later, but starting with the correct one saves you the hassle of untangling things down the road. After you choose your account, Google will display a permission screen. This is completely standard. Google is simply asking whether you trust ClickUp to read and write to your calendar. Take a moment to review what's listed. ClickUp needs this access so it can reflect your task due dates as calendar events. Once you're comfortable with what you're granting, click Allow to authorize the connection, and that's really all there is to it. From this point on, any ClickUp task with a due date will sync to your Google Calendar automatically. You'll see those tasks appear as events on the correct day, sitting right alongside your meetings and appointments. If you want to fine-tune which spaces or lists sync across, head back into the planner settings. ClickUp gives you solid control over exactly what appears on your calendar. You've now successfully connected ClickUp with Google Calendar, and your tasks and schedule are finally working together in one place. If this video helped, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next one.